Alright, welcome to ColdBlue Collectables today. After we've gone through a little bit of my own personal collection and storage idea, this is the Tool Pro from Super Cheap Auto. $10 cheaper than the previous episode's Primal. Same size, of course, a different colour, but same principle, and we'll have a look at that in a sec. But then after that we'll get stuck into a 2021 hoops. Not expecting big things from that packet, but just to help with any ideas, once again reiterate that in Australia we have moisture issues, well, especially coming from Blue Mountains and living on the east coast. One thing we have is moisture issues, and I love to protect my cards, so basically these are the best bet. So you can compress them down, leave them on the floor if necessary, water resistant, watertight, and well, this is how much I go to an extent. A nice little Jabari from Durant. And as you notice from all my episodes, I do like different aspects of trading cards. So from one of my favourite movies of all time, Jim Carrey shirt, and then one of the greatest franchises of all time. And upcoming episodes will have a few Star Wars packets coming in as well. But this is a film cell, the Viper, and I don't know. No, you're not going to see it. But in that little piece there is the Wampa. Very nice. Comment below if you want a little rundown of all my PC. I've got a graded version of this as well, but this has been with me now for 30 plus years, we'll just say. One of the first true loves of it. I wouldn't get this graded though, because stuck. No, I was a bit rough when I was a kid, all along the top there. All along the top there. But that's by far my favourite card of all time. Can't go wrong with a Seth Curry rookie. Alright, so what we'll do, close that up. Once again, comment if you want a little bit more detailed into not just the personal, but storage ideas, because yeah, I just don't like the cardboard aspects. Bring you back a little bit more, get the full focus of our little select products. Focus at the moment is to be able to pull something that is one touch worthy. So we got them nice and prepared and ready to go. We did pull a Cesaro 7 to 10 very short print. I don't know if it's worth pausing and zooming in on that lot, but I'll try and have a quick. No, I can barely read it myself. Anyway, let's get stuck in its hoops and that fly. Alright, so we got here Peyton Pritchard. That's not his rookie card, is it? No. That's right, because we're 2021 now. 2021-22. Isaac Okoro. These are nice cards. Like a little chrome at the bottom. These might be the ones that are coloured backed as well. Years and years ago, the hoops had a I believe it was a red back. Not like the Spider. And then John Wall, nice. I'm going to think about making him a part of the PC. Future Hall of Famer, I believe. But John Collins, Dylan Brooks, Will Barton, what we got here? We got some form of purple. Kai Jones. Rookie card. I can't say familiar with this gentleman. And we got another rookie at the back there. That's a nice card though. We'll have a look at the back of it in a second. And who we got here? Jaden Springer. Rookie for Philly. Alright, so put you down for a second. Sleeve. Okay. Oh, is that a 23-point game? Oh no. Points per game, 8, lower range. And then we got Jaden. Good name. Have a look at him. Oh, a bit of a higher points per game average. Tennessee star in high school. Okay. So, hoops you can't, like very rarely you'll get something nice. Whoop. Where are you going? You stay there. Yeah, a little bit of a recap. Barton. In the books. John Collins. The Wall. Isaac Okoro. Pritchard, second year. Let's put it on eBay for $1 million because it's his second year. Black backs. Oh, didn't even realise that. They got the. Is that the same as? Yeah. So they got a little black and white little thing going there. Oh, nice. Alright, so like and subscribe, please. And then leave comments down below. Yes, look, I am a collector at the end of the day, so I have a tendency to look past the camera and be like, oh my, wow, this is a oh crap, sorry. So feel free to comment down below, but once again, like and subscribe. And until next time, enjoy.